morning from Washington State again.
Hey guys.
So I am loving Washington State. It is another dreary morning. It hasn't been rainy. It's just been overcast, which I think is fantastic. Ben needs sun on his bones, so he's not the happiest camper this morning. Plus, I made him a smoothie, which is his favorite breakfast. Not. Anyway, we are on our way to the Hoh RainForest. We've been told by everybody that we need to check out the Hoh RainForest since we're in the area. So right now we're on our way to the visitor center, and we think that the trail that we were told about was called Hall of Mosses. How are you doing this morning?
I'm doing fantastically well. Thank you for asking.
All right, guys, so we will show you around our explorations of the Hoh RainForest and let you know what we think about it. We're live.
Well, we're never live. So I got to thinking, we're going to this Hoh RainForest, and I'm a little skeptic about it because it's like, what's the big deal about this Hoh RainForest? Apparently, everybody says you need to go check it out, but we've been here for quite some time now, and the campground that we're staying at, which is Mora Campground, is basically a rainforest, which is beautiful. And also the mile and a half hike down to Second Beach, you're walking through a rainforest. So I don't know how much more spectacular this can be. So we'll see. I'm skeptic, but we got to do it. So that's what we're doing.
Just some blue skies.
Yes, and you see this big blue smile.
We are live from the Hall of Mosses.
H-O-M. Should be H-O-M.
H-O-M and the H-O-H
Right.
National Park.
That's right.
Okay, so, well, what are your thoughts?
It's a great trail. It's beautiful.
It is. And there's several short trails right around this visitor center to choose from.
Like I said earlier, I think the campground that we're staying at is more of a rainforest than this HOH, and also the trail to
Second Beach. Yeah.
is awesome.
I think that my biggest difference is there are a lot more mossy covered areas, but not by a landslide. There are some gigantic trees, some gigantic cedar trees, which are really cool. There's a lot of those around Mora Campground and La Push.
Yeah, we're not going to hype you up and say, hey, you must do this trail.
But by all means, if you're in the area, it's a beautiful hike.
For sure.
If we had to choose,
yeah, and
you had kind of, just a day or two in this area, we really think that the La Push and especially the Second Beach hike was well worth it. Now, the Second Beach hike is a little bit more strenuous, but very doable.
Yeah, if we can do it, then anybody can do it.
And it is covered in moss and has gigantic trees and the big root balls that you see on these cedars.
You say root balls?
Root balls, where the trees have all different roots, kind of.
Well, not to mention, it actually has like the mist in the forest area too.
And maybe that's what took some of the magic away from this trail for us, is it turned out sunny.
I like the sun.
We are not going to complain about a sunny day, but the day that we did the Second Beach trail, it was pretty sunny that day also.
That's true.
But it was so much more misty and like magical and moody.
Yeah, more rainforesty.
Yeah, I think so too. We're going to show you our footage from the Second Beach and First Beach. But the trail we're going to show you is the trail that goes to Second Beach. That's the only way to get to Second Beach and La Push. And then First Beach, there's a parking area right there, very easy to get to. If we do a versus, Hall of Mosses versus Second Beach, definitely Second Beach.
Definitely.
And the reward was so much greater too.
Yeah, I mean, it's the beach.
But it's an incredible beach. I mean, incredible.
Tide pools everywhere. You name, I mean, it's just phenomenal beach.
You know, mountains right by the beach, and it's beautiful water, and it's just moody, and it's perfect. And I can't say enough about that one.
Moody, that's her word.
Yeah, you know, moody.
Yeah, very twilight-ish. With that being said, here's Second Beach, and let us know what you guys think is the better option.
What do you guys think? Did you think that HOH was better or La Push? How fitting is it that we ended up right back at La Push today?
How fitting.
Just relaxing at the beach, just taking it all in.
Yep, but we are going to be staying close to the ocean, so that's a plus. It's always a plus.
Yes, it is. Just can't get enough of it. Come on, do it again. Let's see you do it again.